In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder Google Tasks efficiently in just about 5 minutes. Whether you use Google Tasks for personal organization or to streamline your professional life, knowing how to prioritize and reorder your tasks is crucial for productivity. So, let's dive in and make the most out of this simple yet powerful tool. To start, go to Google's homepage. This is where everything in the Google ecosystem begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on this, as accessing Google Tasks requires you to be logged in with your Google account. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Ensure you're using the email associated with the Google account where your tasks are saved. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button to proceed. Following the prompt to enter your email, you'll then be asked to key in your password. It's crucial to ensure that your password is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, you can always use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your password is entered, click on the Next button once again. This action will take you into your Google account's dashboard, unlocking a wide array of services and features provided by Google. From here, you'll need to navigate to the Google dashboard. The Google dashboard acts as the control center for all your Google activities and services. It's where you can see a snapshot of your interactions with Google's services, including Gmail, which is our next step. Inside the Google dashboard, click on Gmail. Gmail is not just your email inbox, it's also the gateway to other Google services, including Google Tasks. Located on the right side of your Gmail inbox, you'll find the Google Tasks icon. It's a small blue circle with a white tick inside. Clicking on this will open the Google Tasks sidebar in your Gmail view. Now, to reorder your tasks, look for the task you want to prioritize. Next to each task, you'll find a 3-dot icon. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with several options for managing your task. One of these options is Move to Top. By selecting this, the chosen task will instantly be moved to the top of your task list, prioritizing it above others. Moving a task to the top is a quick way to reorder your tasks based on priority or urgency. This feature can be particularly helpful when you have a long list of tasks and need to focus on the most critical ones. Remember, Google Tasks allows you to easily drag and drop tasks into a new order as well, offering flexibility in how you organize your day. Throughout this process, remember that staying organized and prioritizing tasks can significantly impact your productivity and peace of mind. Google Tasks is a simple tool, but when used effectively, it can help you maintain clarity about your goals and responsibilities. Additionally, Google Tasks integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Calendar and Keep, making it an indispensable tool for anyone living in the Google ecosystem. You can create tasks directly from an email in Gmail or tie them to specific dates in Google Calendar, enhancing your ability to stay on top of your schedule. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to reorder your tasks in Google Tasks. Remember, organization is key to productivity, and by effectively using tools like Google Tasks, you can ensure that your most important tasks never slip through the cracks. Whether you're managing a busy work schedule, juggling personal tasks, or both, becoming proficient at reordering and prioritizing tasks is a skill that will serve you well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Stay organized, prioritize your tasks, and here's to being more productive than ever before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to navigate your digital life with ease.